everyone and welcome back to Sh1t Tech. Today we'll be reviewing this temperature gun. So I bought this thermal infrared gun for $5.99 and it took around 20 days to deliver, which isn't bad coming from China. I had free shipping obviously. So now I'm gonna open the package and we don't have a box or anything like that. We have the gun here and the instrucciones. Aha! As the distance increases, the spot size is larger. So if you're expecting to measure just this little piece and you're standing 5 feet away, then it might not work. Anyways, we want to see if this works. We have this lever, which I think is very smart.
You're so smart.
So we'll grab some handy dandy batteries and pop them in there. Boom. Easy enough. And how does this work? So you click on this to turn it on and this display comes on. We have 3 buttons. This one seems pretty straightforward. Celsius or Fahrenheit. What do you want? This one, just a tracker. And this is a backlight for the screen if you're in a dark environment. I'll make a test right now to see different things. To test out our handy dandy little temperature gun, we have some boiling water at right around 100 degrees Celsius. A burning candle. The flames should be around like 800 degrees Celsius. The pool of molten wax should be at around 60 degrees Celsius. And finally we have a frozen banana. That should be at around -4 degrees Celsius. Let's start with the boiling water here. So we get around 103 degrees at 8 inches. The wax is at about 60 to 70 degrees. And let's try to aim at those little spikes of the candle. I'm not getting anything over like 150 degrees, so maybe it's too tiny to be caught by the laser. Ah, you failed! Let's see for the banana finally. I am getting around 0. Now let's do a further range test. Right in there.
That's what she said!
We lost a few degrees through the air, but you see how far I am here. Pretty accurate. Let's see for the candle here. Wax is still at 60. And the candle, I have very high doubts that we're going to be able to get that on the gun. Yeah, it won't do it. Ah, you failed! And then for the banana, we're also losing a lot. Ah, you failed! So as you guys just saw, this is actually... This...
Mom, I broke it!
A pretty interesting gadget. I was actually quite impressed because they sell some of those for like a few $100s. I mean, they might be a little more precise, but this is still a good gauge of what you're looking at.
Oh, is this like 20 degrees or is it more like 35 degrees?
This is what you need. It's $5.99. You won't be missing out on anything else. So I think this thermal gun is definitely worthy of the Anyways guys, let me know in the comments down below if you would buy one of those little thermal guns. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care.